Good evening friends. Today we will see actual testing of make to order without sales order controlling and valuated stock. We will first prepare sales order. In the previous video we have created material code, BOM, work center and recipe. Now in this video we will create sales order and further step of make to order without sales order controlling and valuated stock. OR sales organization, distribution channel, customer code, let's say 33, payment terms, item code SAC MTO 1, order quantity, let's say 10 quantity, now based on the sales order, system is creating process order. Okay, double click on item. Here we will check first whether any price is coming here. Now we will calculate cost, extra costing, enter. Here standard price for 10 units is 6000 and for 1 unit it is 600. Save this cost estimate. Okay, now double click on item. Here we can see actual cost 600. Save it. Sales order 137 has been created, and based on this sales order, process order would have also created. We will check it from transaction code COIS. Here our sales order number is 137. but this report is not working here, so we will find it in transaction code core 3 for display of process order. Here system has automatically picked 1000224. It is the last process order which we have created just 10 quantity, and start and end date is 21st, and our sales order number is 137. Okay, we will change status. Our costing sheet, and go to cost analysis. Change layout. Here it is showing 5100 as a cost, but it has not picked overhead cost. It will update as and when we save this process order, because costing sheet we have added later on after creation of process order. Release it. Okay, first of all we have to create a transfer material from one warehouse to sales order. For transfer of, when we are making goods against sales order, then after creation of material or packing material, raw material or packing material code, we have to transfer material, raw material and packing material from normal stock to sales order, and the movement for this is 413. So our material is SX this RM. This raw material is used for our finished goods. So first of all we have to transfer stock of raw material from normal stock to sales order. Plant name, store location SC5, our sales order number 137. Let's enter 137. Okay, 137. Quantity is 10. Material SX-RM. Quantity 10 nose. Plant shack, storage location SC5. Enter. Check. Enter storage location transfer posting. SC file. Post. Now this raw material stock is transferred to sales order for making goods against that particular sales order. Now we will be able to change process order and release it. We will first select our cost sheet for overhead calculation, release it, save. Okay, our process order has been released. Now we will confirm it through transaction code 6N. What is the last number? 224. Actual quantity is 10. Actual data. Here we will calculate variance. So we are changing actual hours. Go to goods movement. Store location SC file. Save it. Two goods movement has been carried out. Now we will check process order, and we will first check stock overview. Okay, here 11 quantities available. Now we will calculate overhead. Period is 3. Remove test run, execute. Okay, overhead has been calculated. Now we will see the status in our process order. Transaction code 3. Okay, here variance is 70 rupees, which will be calculated in transaction code KKS2. Now we will calculate variance KK as to variance is 70 rupees. If you want to check cost element wise or category wise, then we can check it through variance. Click on variance. Here we can see category wise variance. Right. Now we will settle this process order. This scenario is make to order without sales order controlling and valuated stock. So in this process, sales order settlement is not required. In other two scenario, sales order settlement is required. Go to accounting document. Here 70 rupees is loss from variance. Actually our actual cost is higher than cost of production, so loss production variance accounts debit to factory cost CAGM debit, and the variance is due to input quantity excess consumed. So it is category wise variance, input quantity variance debit to loss variance production credit. Now we will check the flow of entry in make to order without sales order controlling. Go to FB03. This entry is generated at the time of confirmation of production order. Activity consumption here. Thereafter, this entry is related to inventory transfer from normal stock to sales order stock. And this entry is finished goods debit to factory cost of goods manufactured, and inventory consumption of raw material debit to raw material inventory. So this process is called as without sales order controlling and valuated inventory, because here we are getting inventory of finished goods. And in next video we will see second scenario, sales order controlling, make to order with sales order controlling and valuated stock. Right. Thank you for watching.